Hello everyone. In previous lecture, we discussed the nomenclature of aromatic hydrocarbon. Today, we will start the remaining part of aromatic hydrocarbon. First, the preparation of benzene. The benzene can be prepared by various methods in which number 1 from phenol, number 2 by decarboxylation, number 3 from acetylene, and number 4 from benzene sulfonic acid. The benzene is found in petroleum and coal in trace amount. It is also obtained as a byproduct of the incomplete combustion of many material. For commercial use, until the World War II, most benzene was obtained as a byproduct of coke production for the steel industry. In 1950, they increased the demand for benzene, especially from the growing polymer industry. The necessities, the production of benzene from petroleum. Today, most benzene come from the petrochemical industry, with only a small fraction being produced from the coal. Four chemical processes contribute to the industrial benzene production. That is the catalytic reforming, toluene hydroalkylation, then toluene disproportionation, and the steam cracking. These are the four methods it contribute to industrial benzene production. Many other synthetic routes to benzene also exist, in which phenol and halobenzene can be reduced with the metal. Then benzoic acid and its salt undergo decarboxylation to give benzene. Then trimerization of acetylene also gives benzene. Okay, uh, these are the some introductory part of the preparation of aromatic hydrocarbon. These methods are discussed briefly in below. Number 1 from phenol. The first method is the preparation of aromatic hydrocarbon is the from phenol. Here, the benzene can be prepared from the phenol. The starting material is phenol. By their reduction, and in this process, the vapors of phenol are passed over the zinc dust, and then when the vapors of phenol pass over the heated zinc dust, then it reduces and there is formation of the benzene. Formation of the benzene. That means in this process, the starting material is phenol in presence of zinc dust, heating, and we get the benzene. Then number 2 by decarboxylation. In decarboxylation, benzene can be prepared from the aromatic acid. In decarboxylation, that means the decarboxylation, in the meaning of that decarboxylation, that means there is removal of the CO2 molecules. Simply decarboxylation, removal of the CO2 molecule. And here the benzene can be prepared from the aromatic acids through the decarboxylation reaction. And in this process, the sodium salt of the benzoic acid. This is the structure of the sodium salt of the benzoic acid, or it is also called as the sodium benzoate. And it is heated with the soda lime, that means calcium oxide, soda lime, to produce the benzene. That means the sodium salt of benzoic acid plus NaOH in presence of the soda lime, calcium oxide, heating, and we get the benzene, plus the byproduct is the sodium carbonate. Okay, along with the sodium carbonate. That means how to remember this one here. That means by decarboxylation, here in decarboxylation, first one is the sodium salt of carboxylic acid is heated with the soda lime and to produce the benzene along with the sodium carbonate. Okay. Now next method from acetylene. Here in this case, The benzene is prepared from the ethyne, that means the acetylene. These are the 3 moles. How will you prepare the benzene? Use the 3 moles of the acetylene. This is the structure of the acetylene molecule. This is 1 mole. 1, 2, 3. That means the 3 moles of the acetylene or the ethyne by the process of cyclic polymerization. And in this process, the ethyne is passed over the red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin temperature, and the ethyne molecule then undergoes cyclic polymerization and to form benzene, plus byproduct is the sodium carbonate. This is most important. How to remember this one? Here, from acetylene. How will you prepare the benzene from acetylene? We use the 3 moles of the acetylene in presence of red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin, and there is cyclic polymerization. In presence of heating, there is cyclic polymerization, we get the benzene. Next, last method, from benzene sulfonic acid. In benzene sulfonic acid, here the benzene can be prepared from sulfonic acid. That means this is sulfonic acid through their hydrolysis, and in this process the benzene sulfonic acid, that means this one, benzene sulfonic acid is exposed to the superheated steam. That means the benzene sulfonic acid is a superheated steam leading to the formation of the benzene, and here benzene is the product and here H2SO4 as a byproduct. That means here the benzene sulfonic acid is exposed to the superheated steam. We get the benzene. That means here in presence of superheated steam directly we get here a benzene. Okay, that means from benzene sulfonic acid. How will you prepare the aromatic hydrocarbon from the benzene sulfonic acid? The starting material is benzene sulfonic acid is heated or superheated steam. We get the benzene as a product plus H2SO4 as a byproduct. In this way, we prepare the aromatic hydrocarbon. Here we discuss first from phenol, then by decarboxylation, and from acetylene, then from benzene sulfonic acids. Okay, thank you.